What is up, guys? So the last time you saw me, we yanked out the old engine of the E30, which is kind of upsetting because I just built the goddamn thing. But on to bigger, better things. We finally got the engine that I've been dying to get in this car since I first got it, and that is the S52. And if you guys know what I'm talking about, go watch the last two videos. They'll get you caught up to speed. They're good videos. Go check them out. Like, comment, subscribe. So this morning I stripped the old engine right there of all the parts that we need for the S52. Front sump pan, the cam and crank sensor, and a couple small things. Now it is time to basically throw it together with all the new gaskets, get it together, get it with the trans, everything, get in the car, and just you guys know the spiel. But it's pretty late because I spent all morning finalizing all the stuff for the website because I wanted to drop the merch today, which is now Saturday, I guess tomorrow, today. I'm very excited to announce that the website is officially open. It is now shopjimmyo.com. Links in the description. I'm now going to show you guys what I got. Go check it out for yourself. It's just the tip of the iceberg. We got a lot planned, and I'm super excited what we got going on right now.
Pick up the merch.
Pick up the merch.
Come on, pick up the merch.
You gonna buy something, Mike?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy something.
See, that's what homies do. They support homies. I'm pumped. So you're getting a jacket?
A jacket.
Oh yeah? What color, huh?
What colors do you have?
That is for you guys to find out. So with that, we got a lot of work ahead of us because I need to get this thing running by tomorrow. So let's get to it. First piece of puzzle, oil tree. All we got is this little rubber gasket right here. It's like a puzzle piece. Guess I wasn't that good at puzzles. Stick her in there, just like that. And all I gotta do is I drip oil over myself. Boom. Hepu. It's a water pump. All right, next piece of puzzle is a water pump. Super easy. Yo, honestly, I got like new everything for this engine, super cheap. You can literally fully like redo these engines from a long block for less than $200 using good parts. So, Jesus Christ. Here we go. I'm gonna lube this thing up. What's awesome about this engine is everything uses like rubber gaskets or O-ring, so you don't really gotta mess with RTV too much. Take this.
Ooh, like a glove.
So easy. Next, we got the thermostat housing and thermostat. Super easy. Once again, it's all O-rings and stuff, which is dope. Factory is actually plastic. If you ever do this, go metal. It's just better, and they're cheap as hell. So
They look good.
they look good, right? So thermostat, make sure it's pointed up. Got the hopefully correct O-ring. Yeah, that looks correct, right? Got this. All right, next one. Front main seal. Do it. Don't be lazy. This is the dealer specific tool. Yeah. This one's a little nicer. We're good. Yes. It's tight. We got this crusty ass alternator, but it's in better condition than my other one, so don't let looks fool you. Easiest alternator on the planet. Other than like Subarus, they have really easy alternators.
They do,
so,
yeah, they're right there.
That's all she wrote. Quick clean. Love it. A little bit of dress up. Here we go. So this is the last piece other than the power steering pump, which is still in the chassis. So we'll hook that up once we're in the car. Time for the valve cover gasket.
Oh, look at this one's actually rubber.
So this is a thick rubber gasket. Still need to put RTV on it though. You gotta make sure you RTV on the half moons. It's just kind of like a very common industry standard to do that on anything. And then where the front cover meets the head, RTV it up.
Oh, hey Mike.
What's up?
You want to trade?
Sure.
Better?
How the hell do you work this thing? We gotta change the plugs, and I'm a little nervous to see how they look. All right, ready? I don't want to see it, dude. Before we look at it,
That was quick.
have you guys checked the website yet? Go check it out. Link in description. Look at. What the? How does this even spark? All right.
Oh, this definitely doesn't spark now.
Cylinders 4. Ugh.
Uh-oh.
God, how does this thing even run? Here's your yearly reminder to change your goddamn spark plugs.
Wow, full send. Not even like a couple seconds.
No panic. Right? Oh, we're tight. Last thing we have to do before we can take it off the stand and attach the trans and drop it in. We have to see all the studs, which, if you guys remember from yesterday's video, there's about 24. Actually, there's exactly 24, which means I'll see you guys in like an hour. Take one out. Put one in. These things are really expensive. As much as I wanted to buy all new ones,
Yeah, some new ones.
I got some new ones. All right, last one, boys. What a pain in the ass.
It took a long time.
Yeah, it did. All right, let's get this up. Rear main seal, flywheel, clutch, blah, trans. Yeah, car. All right, with the old. Get yourself a 17 mil socket and a bunch of homies. That's how you install a rear main seal.
Me and Josh are holding hands.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure we're holding hand, yeah.
Perfect. Nice. Now it's the fun process of Loctite and torque them down.
Yep.
It's a lot of Loctite. If you guys aren't on the chapstick wave of Loctite, get on it.
I didn't know that stuff existed.
So convenient. Nice. All right, she's seated. Let's torque her down and ready for the trans. Unless I forgot something, we're good to go. I checked the throttle bearing's mint, clutch is all torqued up, tight. RJ, you messed it up. Come on. Ooh. Right. Ooh. Nice. Oh, I love that. Love it. All right, she's ready to go in. The goal is to not destroy my radiator support, so let's give it a shot. All right, so it went in pretty smooth. I'm pretty impressed.
It did.
It did. So bolting up the motor mounts now. Trans mounts are already in, so I officially have an S52 bolted in my E30, which is
So rad.
amazing. I thought it would be. I knew it would happen eventually, but I didn't think it would be this soon. So I'm pretty excited. It looks pretty good in there.
It does.
It looks literally no different than the last thing. This is good. So we got a lot of work to do still. Now it's time to just start plugging things in and get some fluids in her, and we'll be driving her tomorrow as long as everything is good.
That's awesome.
So my ass is already whooped. We still got a lot of work to do. So of course, bolting on the headers is something I just keep complaining about because there's literally 24 header bolts and they're all a pain in the ass to get to. So that I'm gonna do off camera, just miserably, get that over with. And then of course, I gotta start doing all the wiring stuff, throw the intake on, all that good stuff. The only issue that kind of sucks that we ran into is the power steering pump is actually different. I don't know if it's a year thing or if it's an S52 versus M52 thing or what, but it's just not going to work. So I'm going to have to change the power steering pump, which isn't a big deal. It's just messy and just one step I didn't feel like doing. So for now, I'm just going to keep plugging things in, and slowly but surely it'll come together. So let's get to work. All right, guys, we made really, really good progress. I'm pretty pumped. It's going smoothly. I mean, I anticipated it too, but all I have to do now is change the power steering pump, and then once that's changed, I can put the intake on, and I can put the radiator in, and put the fluids in. We're good to go, at least in the engine bay. And I still got to do half the header bolts, but then all underneath, all I have to do is hook up the shifter, drive shaft, and she should be ready to fire for the first time, which is really exciting. It looks really, I mean, it doesn't look any different, but it looks really good in there because everything's clean again, and I'm really happy. So it feels awesome, like having an S52 in here now. Like I just see it as a different car, just knowing how more badass of a drivetrain it has, and it's gonna be gnarly. So I wonder if it's gonna sound different. I don't know, we'll find out. But today was a long day, kicked my ass. Got the website together. Hopefully there's no bugs in it. If you guys see bugs in it, let me know. If there's anything I can improve on the website, of course, let me know too. It is very simple just to get it all started, but I hope you guys enjoy the first drop, and of course, like I said, we do have more to come, so stay tuned, and I'm just really excited. So if you guys haven't checked it out yet, go check out shopjimeo.com, links in the description, and yeah, so with that, I think we're gonna end it. Today was a long day, and tomorrow we'll see this thing running. Very excited. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.